Won't let it pass us by. It's been so long and oh so far from where I am to where you are. But here and there we'll see such sights. There's no one else I'd rather be beside before the frozen sea. Looking toward those northern lights, those northern lights. Ooh, when I am on that plane at last, flying oh so far and fast, to see you once again, my